Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto insights. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into the Safepal wallet, your gateway to a secure and user-friendly crypto experience. Find links to the Safepal wallet and its features in the description below. Safepal presents a versatile and highly secure cryptocurrency wallet solution tailored for both newcomers and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. It provides a complete ecosystem encompassing hardware, mobile, and browser wallet options, empowering users to seamlessly manage, trade, and safeguard their digital assets. Safepal is renowned for its extensive cryptocurrency support, making it an ideal choice for users managing diverse portfolios. A key feature of the Safepal hardware wallet is its offline functionality and air-gap design. This means it remains completely disconnected from the internet, eliminating vulnerabilities to online threats like hacking. Transactions are securely processed using encrypted QR codes, providing maximum protection. For those seeking a more readily accessible option, the Safepal mobile wallet offers a user-friendly interface and supports over 50 blockchains and thousands of tokens, including NFTs. One of Safepal's most compelling strengths lies in its seamless integration with Safepal Swap and Safepal Earn. Directly within the wallet app, users can effortlessly exchange cryptocurrencies and participate in staking opportunities. Furthermore, Safepal boasts compatibility with popular decentralized applications, DApps, enabling interaction with DeFi protocols, trading on decentralized exchanges, and even managing NFTs. From a security standpoint, Safepal implements industry-standard measures like encrypted private keys, seed phrase backup, and two-factor authentication, 2FA. Hardware wallet users benefit from an additional layer of protection with the self-destruct mechanism, which erases sensitive data if any tampering is detected. This ensures users maintain complete control over their assets while shielding them from potential breaches. The Safepal wallet is an exceptional choice for users who prioritize security without compromising convenience. It's a perfect fit for crypto enthusiasts looking for a dependable solution to manage multi-chain assets, engage in DeFi, or securely store NFTs. Whether you're just beginning your crypto journey or are a seasoned veteran in the blockchain world, Safepal provides the essential tools to keep your investments safe and accessible. Explore further by clicking the links in the description and discover if Safepal aligns with your crypto goals.